Dora the Explorer. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! Adapted by Leslie Valdes, illustrated by Jason Fruchter. Today is Mother's Day. El Dia de las Madres. I am making a special cake for my mommy. Will you help me make the cake? Great! First, we need to find the recipe card for the banana nut chocolate cake. Do you see the recipe card that has bananas, nuts and chocolate? Here's the recipe card. But where can we find bananas, nuts and chocolate? Let's ask the map. Say map. Map says we have to go to the banana grove, then through the Nutty Forest and finally to the chocolate tree. Then we'll have all the ingredients to make my mommy's cake. Look, it's my friend Boots the monkey. Boots drew a picture for his mommy for Mother's Day. Come on, let's go to the banana grove. Do you see the grove? We made it to the banana grove. We need 3 bananas for the cake. The bananas need to be yellow. That means they are ripe. Do you see 3 yellow bananas? Good counting. Hey, look, it's our friend Benny the bull. Hi Benny. He gave a cowbell to his grandma for Mother's Day. What a nice gift. Vamonos. Let's go to the Nutty Forest. We still have to get the other ingredients. Bye, Benny. Here we are at the Nutty Forest. And there's our friend Tico the squirrel. He's giving his mommy a bracelet made of nuts for Mother's Day. It's so pretty. We need to collect 6 nuts. Let's count them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You did it! Good counting. Hey, look! It's our friend Isa the iguana. Hi, Isa. Isa is gathering flowers to give to her mommy for Mother's Day. Oh no, look! There's Swiper the fox. That sneaky fox is trying to swipe Isa's flowers. Say, Swiper, no swiping. You did it! You saved Isa's flowers. Now we have to go to the chocolate tree. Do you see the chocolate tree? Come on, let's go get the last ingredient for my mommy's special cake. We made it to the chocolate tree. It only has 1 piece of chocolate left and it's way up high. Can you help us reach it? Put your hands in the air and reach really high. Yay! You reached the chocolate. Now we have all the ingredients. Let's go home and make the cake. This is my daddy, me Papi. He's going to help us make the cake. First, we put all the ingredients into a bowl and mix them up. Bate, bate, bate. Mix, mix, mix. After we mix all the ingredients, Papi will put the cake in the oven to bake. The cake will be ready soon. Thanks for helping. It's time to give my mommy the special cake. Mommy says it's delicious. Delicioso. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. The end.